Stop making the same travel mistakes that ruin millions of trips every year. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning your first vacation in a while, there's a good chance you're unknowingly breaking hidden rules that can lead to delays, lost luggage, or worse, security nightmares. Airlines and airports won't warn you about these risks, but we will. In this video, you'll discover the most crucial travel hacks that airlines hope you never find out. From baggage tricks to airport secrets and in-flight habits that make all the difference. Even seasoned travelers overlook these tiny but costly errors. Check the description for official travel resource links and essential products that can make your next trip hassle-free. Subscribe to Epic Voyage for more real-world travel advice that works when it matters most. Chapter 1. Baggage tags can mislead the system. A small overlooked detail. Old luggage stickers. Leaving those tags from past flights on your suitcase can confuse airport scanners. Your bag might get rerouted to your last destination instead of your current one. Always peel them off before checking your luggage to avoid a baggage detour disaster. This mistake happens more often than you'd think and can result in your luggage being flown to another continent only for you to wait days for its return. Chapter 2. Coffee beans and airport suspicion. Coffee in your bag might seem harmless, but security agents know people use strong scents to hide other substances. This can lead to extra screening, delays, and suspicion, even if you're just carrying beans. It's safer to buy coffee at your destination than pack it in your carry-on. In some countries, even an innocent product like coffee can lead to a full bag inspection and questioning. Chapter 3. A dead laptop can get you flagged. Assuming your electronics can be charged on the plane is a big risk. Broken or occupied outlets are common. More importantly, airport security might ask you to power on devices. If your battery is dead, they can confiscate it. Charge everything the night before and carry portable chargers. Imagine losing access to your laptop just because it wouldn't power on at a checkpoint. It's a preventable mistake with potentially serious consequences, especially for business travelers. Chapter 4. Overpacking, just in case. Items. Most travelers admit they return home with unused clothes and gear. That bulky sweater or second pair of shoes you packed for just in case, likely unnecessary. Traveling light not only saves money, but reduces stress and increases flexibility throughout your journey. Many airlines now weigh carry-on bags too, so overpacking could cost you extra fees or force a last-minute bag check. Chapter 5. Electric toothbrushes and lithium battery trouble. TSA frequently flags lithium-powered items. An electric toothbrush could lead to bag searches or delays, especially if batteries are loose or exposed. To avoid the hassle, pack it securely or switch to a manual brush for short trips. Don't let a hygiene essential become the reason you miss boarding. Chapter 6. Don't use foil to wrap valuables. Aluminum foil blocks X-rays, making your belongings invisible to scanners. This triggers a full bag inspection and potential delays. Instead, use clear pouches or transparent containers that security can check quickly and easily. Keep your bag from lighting up the scanner like a red alert. Chapter 7. Film photographers, beware. X-rays at security checkpoints can permanently damage undeveloped film. To protect your shots, ask TSA agents for a hand check. It takes extra time, but it's the only way to avoid fogged or ruined images, especially for vintage camera users or professionals. Chapter 8. Sample size liquids for carry-on success. Travel-size toiletries aren't just convenient, they're necessary. Full-size shampoo or lotion will get pulled or tossed by security. Pick up TSA-approved containers or kits. Not only do they save space, but they also get you through checkpoints with zero hassle. You'll also avoid the stress of having to repack your bag on the spot at the checkpoint. Chapter 9. Shower Cap. Shoe wrap trick. Don't throw away those free hotel shower caps. They make perfect covers for your shoes in your suitcase, keeping dirt and germs away from clean clothes. It's free, effective, and a great way to recycle on the go. Chapter 10. Candle wax for waterproof luggage. A bar of wax or candle can turn a fabric suitcase water-resistant. Just rub the wax over the surface. It helps repel moisture during light rain or if your bag hits a puddle. It's not foolproof, but it can make the difference between dry clothes and soggy surprises. Test on a small section first to ensure it doesn't discolor the fabric. What's your most unexpected airport experience? Have you ever had your luggage flagged for something totally unexpected? Maybe a souvenir that got mistaken for a weapon or a snack that caused confusion? Drop your story in the comments below. You might help someone avoid the same mistake. And if you're finding these tips helpful so far, hit that like button. Your support helps us keep bringing you smarter, safer travel. Chapter 11. Folding versus rolling clothes. Roll clothes for backpacks. It saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Fold for suitcases. It organizes better and uses the square space efficiently. The right technique depends on your bag, so choose wisely. Mixing both can also be helpful for different item types. For example, roll soft shirts but fold structured jackets. Chapter 12. Don't pack anything that looks like a weapon. Toy guns, quirky bottle openers, odd tools. These items may be harmless but look suspicious under X-rays. Even innocent souvenirs can cause you to miss your flight. When in doubt, leave it out or pack it in checked luggage with proper documentation. Security officials are trained to treat ambiguous shapes seriously. Don't give them a reason. Chapter 13. Keep your backpack under the seat. Backpacks don't belong in the overhead bin. That space is for larger items. By placing your smaller bag under the seat, you save space for others, reduce crowding, and keep your essentials within arm's reach during the flight. It's efficient and considerate. Plus, reaching for a book or headphones mid-flight is much easier. Chapter 14. Dress for security, not the runway. Wearing metal accessories, belts, or heavy layers slows down screening. Choose easy-to-remove shoes and keep your outfit simple. This speeds up your security check and avoids unnecessary pat-downs or second screenings. Efficiency starts with what you wear. Think slip-ons, light jackets, and no hidden pockets. Chapter 15. Airport Lounge. Access isn't just for VIPs. Many lounges offer day passes or access through certain credit cards. These quiet, comfortable spaces offer food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and showers, perfect during long layovers. Even one-time access can transform a stressful wait into a restful break. Consider researching lounge policies in advance for your airline or airport. Chapter 16. Double-check all documents and entry rules. Expired passports, missing visas, and ID mismatches are among the top reasons people get denied boarding. Some countries require at least 6 months of passport validity. Others demand pre-approved visas or travel authorizations. Always check entry rules before you go. Use official embassy websites, not blogs or social media posts, for accurate information. Chapter 17. The carry-on size trap. Carry-on size rules vary wildly between airlines. What fits overhead on one flight might be rejected at the gate on another. Some airlines use sizes that are smaller than expected, and budget carriers are especially strict. Always measure your bag in advance and check dimensions on the airline's website. Going even an inch over can mean forced gate checks or surprise fees. Inconsistent rules also apply to handles and wheels, so don't assume your bag will qualify just because it's small. Chapter 18. The Gate Change Trap. You arrive early, sit by your gate and relax. But halfway through your snack, your gate moves. It happens more often than you think. Always double-check gate numbers on the screen, not just your boarding pass. Changes can occur multiple times due to weather, delays, or operational shifts. Staying alert can save you from a mad dash across the terminal. Enable push notifications on your airline app to stay ahead. Chapter 19. Boarding Group Psychology. Ever wonder why so many people crowd the gate before their group is called? Airlines have conditioned passengers to compete for overhead bin space. But there's a better way. Let the rush pass, then board calmly. If your seat is guaranteed, there's no need to stress. Some travelers even switch to later boarding groups to avoid the crowd and arrive at their seat with less hassle. Boarding later also means less time sitting cramped on the plane before takeoff. Chapter 20. Seatbelt rules can delay the entire flight. Before a plane can leave the gate, all passengers must be seated with their seatbelts fastened. But every flight has at least one traveler who stands up, digs through the overhead bin, or forgets the buckle. Flight attendants are required to resolve these issues before takeoff. A single unbuckled seatbelt or passenger up from their seat can delay the entire plane. Always listen for final announcements and be ready. A few seconds of awareness can keep everything on schedule. Travel doesn't have to be stressful or chaotic. With the right preparation, small hacks can make a massive difference in how your journey unfolds. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Epic Voyage for more smart travel insights. And don't forget to check the description for trusted travel resource links and must-have gear for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.